after our very first episode, we have received tremendous response from our viewers. And to cool down our palates from the tawa murg that we had last time, we are here at Mrs. Makhani's house. She is going to demonstrate an Indian dessert which is called Shahi Tukde. Namaste, Mrs. Makhani.
Namaste.
I'm Farhana Kirani from Mirchi TV. Your recipe of Shahi Tukde has been selected for our episode of Recipe Ghar Ghar Ki.
आइए.
Thank you. Here we are today in Mrs. Beyant Makhani's kitchen, and we are going to share the recipe of Shahi Tukde. Beyant ji, how long have you been making this recipe Shahi Tukde?
बहुत सालों से बना रही हूँ. बहुत साल हो गए मेरे को बनाते हुए.
और इसे शाही टुकड़े क्यों बोलते हैं? Can you throw some light on why it is called शाही टुकड़े?
ये क्योंकि रिच होते हैं ज़्यादा, देसी घी में बनते हैं, रबड़ी होती है, सब चीज़ें ज़्यादा होती हैं. शाही रॉयल.
To add to this, it's called shahi tukde. Shahi means royal, and this dish is really royal. The way it is cooked, it comes down from the lines of the Mughal emperor, and tukde means pieces. So here we are going to try the bread pieces which are going to be fried, and we'll see how Mrs. Makhani makes them. Now we can see the golden brown color of the toast. They'll be nice and crunchy. अभी आप निकालेंगे?
दोनों तरफ से हो जाए ना.
Has to be evenly brown on both the sides. A nice golden brown color. The toast slices that have been used here, they are toast slice, not sandwich slice, because the process that we are going to do next will explain more in detail why we need toast slices. This is the toast slice that we use here, and you can trim off the edges, but you can retain them if you like, and it's cut diagonally. They have been cut diagonally to make it look a bit more attractive. This is how Mrs. Makhani has cut the slices, and see again, like they are lovely, nice golden brown. Mrs. Makhani, what is this milk here? What are we doing with the milk here?
This is for the ये टोस्ट इसमें डिप किए जाएंगे चीनी डाल के.
Mrs. Makhani is going to add some sugar to this milk that is boiling here.
Reduced.
And we are trying to reduce the milk. These crunchy pieces of toast will be soaked in this sweet milk. Mrs. Makhani, how much do you think आप कितना sugar डालेंगी इसमें? How much sugar will you add to this? Should we add it right now, or should we wait?
Yes.
So how much do we need to add?
I think 4-5 spoons.
Okay, so that's 4-5 tablespoons of sugar going in there. And you can even add more if you like, according to your taste. You can also garnish this hot milk with saffron. That is what Mrs. Makhani says. But that is provided you like the saffron flavor or you want to make it more rich. But it certainly does give a lovely color with a bit of saffron in here. So we have got about those slices. Is it 2 slices that we fried here?
No.
3? Okay, 3 slices. 3 slices of toast bread, white toast bread that we've used. And the milk that we have used here is a full cream milk, about half a liter, with 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, or you can add more according to your taste. Now we fried this. Now Mrs. Makhani is going to add pieces of toast in here. Now they don't have to be soaked for a long time because it retains its flavor and the crunchiness of the toast. If you like it soft, then you can have it soaked for a longer time in here. So how long are we going to keep it in here? Couple of seconds?
Couple of just
30 seconds, 40 seconds?
like this.
Okay, so it has to spring back when you press it in the center, but should not give away or break into pieces. Not only does the toast have to be nice and crunchy, but it has to absorb the sweetness of the sugar that we've put into the milk. And it has to be cooked on high heat. Okay, and as you see, we are arranging it in a particular way so it looks arranged well and it looks delicious while we serve it. Are you going to put something on this?
I made this rabdi. ये जो
So,
बनाई
आपने-
थी सुबह दूध की,
कैसे? How have you made
दूध
this?
को रिड्यूस करके
Okay. After reducing the milk, how do you get this consistency?
reducing
By reducing, and what else have you added in here?
little bread.
So is it one slice of bread?
No, half.
Half a slice. Or
Half
do
a
you
slice.
use the corners?
Great.
Great, okay.
No,
Great.
no corners.
No corners.
No
just
brown.
No
part.
brown part of the slice, the toast. It's just the white
Right.
center of the bread that has been used. Have you heated this? Have you reduced the milk here? And is this a full bodied milk, like full cream
Yes,
milk
full
again?
cream milk. Full cream milk.
And how much is the milk? इसकी quantity क्या है?
About half kg.
Half liter.
Half liter.
Half liter and has been reduced to about 1 cup.
Yes.
1 cup. और कितना time लगता है इसको reduce करने में?
About 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, so the milk has to be on stove for 1 hour, and the reduced milk किया हुआ उसमें we put in the bread. Grate किया हुआ bread reduce करने के बाद डालते हैं कि जब भी हो रहा है तभी
थोड़ी
डालते
देर
हैं?
पहले ही डाल देते हैं ताकि वो भी ब्रेड भी
Bread
बीच में
भी
मिल
मिल-
जाए
okay.
एंड दैट वो जो है रबड़ी के वो आ जाए
Consistency अच्छी रबड़ी जैसी लगे.
थोड़ी ना रबड़ी के वो
Granules.
ग्रेन्यूल्स
Okay, so the bread has to be soaked into the reduced
वो
milk.
नहीं होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सॉफ्ट उसमें होना चाहिए जैसे
Okay.
मलाई है थोड़े उसके वो
Okay, so it should look like Indian
इंडियन रबड़ी
malai, which is called cream, the Indian cream.
Indian
And that's why she puts in half a slice of bread in there when the milk is reduced.
क्या आप इन सब एरियाज में
क्या आप मॉर्गेज लेने की सोच रहे हैं? क्या आप जानते हैं कि अच्छी प्लानिंग और राइट एडवाइस से आप
ये दूध का क्या करेंगे आप?
ये दूध भी
उसके ऊपर डाल सकते हैं?
डाल सकते हैं अगर
अच्छा.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं
And उसके बाद उसके राबड़ी डालने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे?
उसको डेकोरेट करेंगे उससे बादाम और पिस्ता से
और आपकी शाही टुकड़े तैयार हो जाएंगे?
बस
तो ये क्या है? What is this?
बादाम और पिस्ता
बादाम और पिस्ता.
काट के
Overnight
भिगोए। हाँ,
soaked.
उबाल भी सकते हैं
Almond
अगर
and
instant आप बनाना
pistachios.
हो तो
And then it has been sliced. Should this be served as a hot dessert or is it a
Hot,
cold
hot,
dessert?
hot.
Hot. Okay, so it is a very good dessert that we can serve in winter maybe. Hot, freshly made, goes to the table directly. ये ठंडा करके फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं, पहले से बना सकते हैं? Like can we make it beforehand or ये
हाँ, कर
कोई
सकते हैं।
आने वाला हो
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ
तुरंत बनाना पड़ता है?
नहीं ऐसा
पहले
कुछ
से
नहीं।
बना के रख
हाँ,
सकते हैं
हाँ,
फ्रिज में?
हाँ, हाँ।
तो कभी कितना पहले बना सकते हैं?
आप सुबह भी बना सकते हैं
सुबह।
शाम को खा सकते
Okay.
हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं
सुबह और ये ठंडा भी अच्छा लगता है?
ठंडा भी अच्छा लगता है
So
ये depend
another
करता है।
treat, a nice treat for hot summers. Okay, looks beautiful. Easy, quick to make, delicious, wholesome. और आप मैं ये गार्निश करूँ?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल करिए।
आप हमेशा कैसे करती हैं? Means how do you do it always? Is it like this or you just
Yes.
spread it or?
इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद है बच्चों को सबको, ऐसे ही खा लेते हैं सब।
Mrs. Makhani says that her grandchildren just love this dish, and even before she has the time to finish the garnishing, it's devoured by them. So must be really delicious. I bet even you would like to try making this. It would be a nice treat for the youngsters, especially when they are on school holidays. Will you want to pour this around या ऐसे ही रखेंगे? ऐसे. So
ऐसे ऐसे उठा के एक प्लेट में रख के खाए जाते हैं।
this can also be decorated with silver work, which we call work. It's like a silver foil that is available in Indian shops, and they are used for decorating Indian sweets, mithais, desserts like these. They look very delicious and attractive, as if it's just out of the Indian sweet shop. इसे बनाने में how long have you taken to make this dish?
ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है रबड़ी बनाने में।
So the rabri can be made beforehand. इसे can we make it one day before and keep it in the fridge?
हाँ हाँ रबड़ी तो
We can make the rabri a day before and keep it in the fridge, and the toast can be fried.
तो उसी वक्त बन जाते हैं ना।
You can freshly fry the toast to save your time, and just put in the garnish, and it's all ready to go. This can be done even while your guests are finishing off their dinner, or somebody's clearing off the table and the dessert is all warm and ready to go. But the other alternative is, if we have to save time, then it can be made beforehand, a day, एक दिन पहले.
रबड़ी तो पहले बना
You can
सकते
make
हैं,
the
टोस्ट उसी वक्त तले और अपना इसमें
rabri a day in advance, and we can make the toast even in the morning, and ठंडा भी serve हो जाता है. For the rabri, we have used this full cream milk, half a liter of that, and we have boiled it on high heat for about almost an hour. About 5 minutes before it's almost done, add in the grated half a slice of white bread and keep on stirring, and you would get this consistency. This can also be made, the rabri can also be made out of mawa, which is made of fresh milk. And to substitute that, you can make it out of milk powder, full cream milk powder, with a bit of butter and sugar in it. For the recipe of the mawa that you can make, you can log on to our website. It's just mawa that you can make in 10 minutes in a microwave, and that can be used in any desserts, any recipes, mithais. So do visit our website for more details.